Hello! Welcome to another taste test. I have collected some new things, and there are of course a lot of new things in the advent calendar, and I thought I won't try them all for you, but I've been to a very posh supermarket, and yeah, I got some things there. So we have something to drink. This is a high protein shake from the company the Unmilk. So there is no milk inside. It's made with oats and peas and oil. Yeah, and this is vanilla chai. So I will taste this one. Then I had, I'm very curious about that. So these are brown bread crisps with salt, and I like brown bread when it looks like this, and yeah, very curious to try this. So this is from a company called Gillet and is a taste of Denmark. Then I have some candy here. You candy, be powerful, and this is full of calcium and magnesium, and for the muscles and for the nerves. And there are 3 different flavors inside. So we have strawberry, raspberry, lemon and lime, and mandarin and orange. Wild sour. So we have an extra wild sour here. So I went for the sour edition. Then I have 2 chocolates here from Ritter Sport. This is a German brand. And we have white chocolate with cinnamon crisp. This is this one. And we have coffee crunch. I like coffee and chocolate. And then I got from a friend from Faser. They are called Moomin. I won't tell you. So this is a Finnish brand, and you can read it by yourself how they are called. They are called Mansikakkeksi Jordgubbskeks. So something with cookie, right? But there's a very cute hippo on it, and this is with strawberry biscuits. Yeah, I think I will start with these, as these are the last ones I will show you. So I will start with these. Ooh, they have sprinkles. Okay, artificial strawberry flavor. And they look like this. And they are, well, good thickness. So it seems that there's a vanilla flavor inside, and this is soft. The thing in the middle is soft, the cream. Wow. Okay. It's sweet, and it's a bit artificial, but it looks very nice. I would go on with the chocolate, so the white chocolate cinnamon crisp. So they look like this. They are not saying which kind of cinnamon it is. Usually I don't like the normal cinnamon. I prefer the silent cinnamon, but they are not telling. But yeah, it's very sweet because of the white chocolate, but it's I like the crunch. I like the cinnamon. Yeah, this is difficult not to eat it in one go. Yeah, it's good. Let's see how the coffee crunch will taste. So here in this one were Rice Krispies, and in this one corn flakes. Oh, this is a very light color. Okay, understood. Okay, so we have two different colors. So it's darker on the top and lighter down below. And yeah, let's see. Well, I know better coffee chocolate, but it's okay. It's okay. I won't buy that again. It's okay. I will have a good shake of this high protein shake, of course. And then let's see. Vanilla chai. Sounds interesting. I think that's why I took it. So it has a latte macchiato color. It doesn't smell. It doesn't smell, no. Ew. Ooh. No. This is really bad. This is very thick. It's not. Yeah, it's thick and it's sour. It tastes like. I was checking the date, you know, because it tastes like that is not good anymore. Oh no, I can't drink that. This is this is awful. I can't explain. It's like it's sour and thick and has a no, I can't explain. But I cannot recommend that. And this has nothing to do with chai. Nothing. Yeah, I can taste the curcuma. Maybe it's the curcuma and there's pepper inside. Ginger? I can't taste any ginger. Oh no. Let's get on with the gummies. Okay. Which one? This is the lemon lime one. So it tells me 100 grams contain 100% of your daily supplement dose. These are 100 grams, so I need to eat these every day to get on my dose, but it's having 337 kilocalories, so no. I can't tell you, so let's try the berry ones. Oh, these are nice. They taste like those chewing gums which you eat, and these are like little pearls and make noise in your mouth. If you know what I mean. Yeah, they taste like that. The lemon and lime bar, I can't tell you if it's good or not. It was okay. There was no special taste. Let's see if I can catch. There it is. So this is the mandarin orange. Tastes exactly like a mandarin. Well, these are nice. I wouldn't eat them every day, but yeah, pretty nice. My favorite ones were the strawberry raspberry flavor ones. And now we're heading to the brown bread crisps. Smells like bread. Ooh, okay, they are so big. You can hear the crunch. So there's not a lot of salt in it, and it's I thought it would be more on the sourdough side bread. I think you can do it yourself, right? You make bread or buy bread and cut it very thin, and then sprinkle some salt and some olive oil on it, and then dry it in the oven, and then they are like this. Yeah, there's a lot of it inside, and I'm very happy about this. Yeah, it's like a healthy snack. So I know you want to know which one is my favorite. Let's start with my fail. You can imagine it's disgusting. And my favorite is, I have two. I have these, and I have the white chocolate cinnamon chocolate from Ritter Sport. Yeah, these are my two favorites. Well, this was a good taste test, I guess. At least there are favorites, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. And then we will see us again soon. Stay safe and take care. Bye.